this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. When I have been pottering around today, I pulled a few large leeks that I'd got and put them in a couple of meals, and then I thought, I'm going to be putting my broad beans in anytime now, so I pulled the rest of them and I made a leek and potato soup, and I'll show you now what I did. I pulled the larger leeks out, checked them over, washed them off, they were good to go, and so I put them in a steak casserole and butternut squash curry, and they are going to be for, it's not actually rally food, but for the motorbike rally. I'll freeze them up. Well, I'll freeze the curry up, and that'll help keep things cold in my cool box. But these are the leeks I've got left. As you can see, there's some medium-sized ones and some smaller ones. I've checked them all over. I'm just going to cut them up, and I'll do a couple of potatoes, because you know me, I don't like wasting anything. So rather than putting these on the compost pile, I'm going to turn them into a meal or two for me. I've melted a small knob of butter in the bottom of the pan. Onions, my leeks are now going in. Give that a little stir around. I love the smell of leeks, by the way. I'll let them soften down a bit. I'll be adding, where is it? There. A couple of cloves of garlic I've chopped up. They can go in. Also, I've got a litre of chicken stock. I won't be using all of it because some of it's going to go in casseroles and that I've got going on. Now these leeks have started to soften. I'm going to add some salt. Not much, because I don't use a lot of salt at all. Pepper. Same with pepper. I don't use that much. Well, I've still got the squeaky container. Now I'll add the potatoes and another little knob of butter. The back door is open because I've been cooking this morning, and any little noise is setting Mason off. It's coated in the butter and the salt and pepper and that. It's chicken stock, about a litre of it, and there's half of it going in, round about a pint. So I'll now let this come up to boil and let it boil for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. You can put it in your blender, not bothering. I'm just going to put me stick blender in. Would help if it was turned on. Smooth it down as much as you want. Nice bowl of leek and potato soup. No difficulty in it whatsoever. So this is going to do me for tea tonight, and I'll freeze the rest for another night. You can garnish it with a bit of parsley or not rosemary. You can put cheese on it, grated cheese if you want, or parmesan. That would be nice. But nice easy thing, so that now I'm spending more time outside. It's still not summer, so it's still not really warm weather, but when I come in from outside, I want something nice, quick, warm, and this will do it for me. Just remember to take it out of the freezer and let it defrost. So thank you, bye.
It's a